In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from MetaMask to a bank account. To get started, open MetaMask either in the browser extension or in the mobile app. Before you do anything else, make sure the wallet actually contains the cryptocurrency you want to sell. This is important because the transfer to your bank account does not happen directly as cash from the wallet. Instead, you'll be selling your crypto through a supported provider, and that provider will send the money to your bank. Once you're inside MetaMask, look for the Sell option. If you're using the extension, go to Move Crypto, then choose Sell. If you're on mobile, simply tap Sell. This opens the cash out process and shows the options available for your location. Next, select your country or region. You'll want to choose the same country where your bank account is registered. MetaMask uses this information to determine whether selling is supported where you are and which providers can work with your bank. After that, choose the cryptocurrency you want to convert into cash, then enter the amount you want to sell. Take a moment here to double check the token and the amount, especially if you hold more than one asset in your wallet. MetaMask will then show available providers and quotes based on your region. Review these carefully, pay attention to the exchange rate, any service fees, and the final amount you'll actually receive in your bank account. Even small differences between providers can affect your payout. If this is your first time using a provider, you may need to complete identity verification, also known as KYC. This is a standard step with many financial services, so just follow the prompts and provide the requested information. Once that's done, connect your bank account by following the provider's instructions. The exact withdrawal methods can vary depending on your country and the provider you choose, so make sure the account details are entered correctly to avoid delays. Next, MetaMask will guide you through sending the crypto to the selected provider. Review the transaction carefully before continuing. It's a good idea to check the amount, destination, and any fees one more time. Then confirm the transaction in MetaMask. You'll need to approve it and pay any applicable network fee. That fee is separate from the provider's selling fee, so keep that in mind when looking at the total cost. After the transaction is processed, the provider will send